Okay, so this is a little fun one here. It says the ratio of three numbers is 8, 7, and 5. But when I add those numbers together, I get 60. What's the smallest number? Man, that's just a weird question, right? So what I'm saying is that if I have three numbers, let's say I have like 2, 4, and 6, okay? When I say the ratio of the three numbers is 8, 7, 5, that doesn't mean that those are the numbers. What that means, if I reduce this, like let's say if I have 2, 4, 6, I can take a 2 out of both. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So that means the ratio of these numbers is 1, 2, 3. So that's them in their most reduced form. So let's see what I have. So I have what? Number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay? And if I put that in a little table, 8, 7, 5. Okay? Now, what I don't know is, what they turn into. I don't know. So, I don't know what their real numbers are. But here's what I do know. I do know that the sum of those real numbers is, so I can add another row. Nobody says I can't. And the sum is 60. Well, if the sum is 60, what's the sum of my ratio? Well, 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 5 is 20. Oh, but the sum of my real numbers is 60. Can I do something to 20 to get to 60? Yeah. I could times that by 3. So that's a 60. And that's a 15. And that's a 21. And that's 24. They all add up to 60. The ratios are the same. So here are my original three numbers. Now what do I want? I wanted the smallest number. Well, in this case, the smallest number was 15. Okay, kind of weird, right? Let's do it again. Ratio of three numbers is 8, 6, and 5, and the sum is 57. Okay, so I know I got an 8, a 6, and a 5. But I don't know what their final form is. Okay, but I do know that they add up to 57. Well, what does my ratio add up to? I know that 5 and 6 are 11, plus 8 is 19, right? Ooh, does 19 fit into 57? I don't know. So 2 19s are what, 38? I'm close. What if I add another 19 to it? That's a 7. Ooh, 57, perfect. So that would be 3 19s. So if I multiply all these by 3, I get 24, I get 18, and I get 15. So, smallest number again here is 15. Not too shabby. What are these ones? 5 out of every 8 students own a bike. Okay. So let's see here. So if I have own, not own, right? 5 own a bike. Oh, out of every 8 students. That means our total students are 8. So that means who doesn't own a bike? 3 people don't own a bike. Okay? So this right here, that's new information that we weren't given, that we figured out. The difference between the number of students who own a bike and don't own a bike is 62. Awesome. So what we're saying is, so we have a difference, right? The difference between what? Own and not own is 62. So I don't know what the real numbers are here, but I do know that difference is 62. Well, I know that the difference in the ratio of own and not own is 2. So can I get from 2 to 62? Well, I can. I can times that by what? What's half of 62? 31 times 31. So I do 5 times 31. I don't know, 31 times 5. So that's a 5 and a 15. So that's 155. I can do 3 times 31. I could do that one. That's 93. And then I could do 8 times 31 if I just wanted to fill in this thing. So 31 times 8. Wow, I don't even know what I did there, sorry. 31 times 8. So that's 8, 24. 248. So what do I want? What I want is how many students were surveyed. Oh, that's what I just found out. 248. Okay, hope this helps.